These might be the best bang for your buck cordless tools that you can buy right now. I've been using them solidly for months, and the quality and performance that you get for this price is genuinely surprising. I'm going to show you every tool that I've got, what they cost, some of the insanely good value kits that you can buy, and what it would cost you to buy the same setup from one of the big name brands. If you're after a full cordless setup all on one battery platform, this might just be the video for you. Dan from the future here. This video was all uploaded and scheduled, ready to go, and then I happened to go on the Lumberjack website and spot probably the cordless tool deal of the century, and I couldn't post this video without showing it to you. So I'm going to include this deal when I talk about the kit options later in the video, and trust me, you will not want to miss it. Let me know in the comments if you're on a specific battery system and if you've got a favourite cordless tool. One of these is definitely a big favourite of mine, and it's probably not what you think. Let's start with the full setup that I'm using. I've got all 19 cordless tools in the Lumberjack XP Series, 4 batteries, 2 chargers, 2 cases and 2 tool bags. And the full lot comes in at just over £1,000. When you remove the cost of the batteries and the chargers, the tools themselves come in at roughly 45 quid each. They could charge so much more for these, but there's no crazy markup, no hidden extras, just a solid set of tools that are unbelievable value for money. I first looked at this range when I was buying some of their larger workshop tools, and I actually mentioned that in one of the first conversations that I had with Lumberjack over a year ago. Fast forward a year, and after lots of hard work, I now work alongside Lumberjack, providing them with content for their Amazon listings, social media, website, and I also make videos for their YouTube channel as a video ambassador. As part of that partnership, Lumberjack sent me this range to use for the content, then to keep using in my projects, and I couldn't be happier with the range that I've now got. This video isn't any sort of promotion, it's just me wanting to show you what I use, because honestly, it's great value and I think more people need to know about them. I've never really been interested in the premium tool brands. I'd much rather get something that's proper value for money, but still does the job. Before these, I had a Ferex impact driver and drill, a Parkside multi-tool, and a couple of other cheap bits, but I didn't have a proper cordless setup. One battery across this whole setup makes so much more sense. I just needed to set up a charger in the workshop, and I have my batteries mounted in shadow foam ready to go. The second charger is in the shed if I ever need to charge on the go. Let me just quickly run through each tool in the range. I'm not going to go into specifics about each one, or this video will be far too long, but I have done individual tool videos over on the Lumberjack YouTube channel if you're interested. In no particular order, we've got the vacuum cleaner, circular saw, recip saw, jigsaw, impact driver, hammer drill, torch, work light, angle grinder, mini saw, mouse sander, multi-tool, nail gun, grease gun, planer, impact wrench, caulking gun, spray gun, and finally my favourite of the bunch, the new brushless cordless SDS drill, which comfortably outperforms the old corded version that I used to have. I don't currently have a use for a grease gun, hence it still being in the box, but hopefully in our next property we will. But let's not get ahead of ourselves yet. So this one is going to my dad to grease his outboard motor on his boat. He's just going to buy a charger and some batteries, and then we'll probably grab a few of the other tools because I know he's been eyeing them up ever since seeing mine. If you're not going all in like I did, they've got some really great value starter kits for homeowners and DIYers. Right, Future Dan back, and this is the kit that I was talking about. So Lumberjack are doing a promo for this full kit, and you get the vac, multi-tool, circular saw, mini saw, drill and impact driver, you get a torch, an angle grinder, a jigsaw, a nailer, a sander, the SDS drill, the planer, getting two 4 Ah batteries and the quick charger. And you'll also get 2 of these tool bags to put everything in. And you're getting all of that for only £522.49 if you use my discount code. That works out at less than £30 an item, which is absolutely ridiculous value. To put that into perspective, this nailer on its own is usually £110. So I'm not sure how long this promo is going to be running for. At this price for all of this, I can't imagine it's going to be too long. But I'll leave the link to this promo kit down in the description box below. Back on with the video. There's loads on the website, but here are 3 that I think would be perfect for general DIY use. For £214.99 you can get an impact driver, a hammer drill, multi-tool, a vacuum, 2 4 Ah batteries, a charger and a case, and that covers you for a lot of jobs around the house for not a lot of money. There's also the exact same kit but with a work light instead of the vac for a similar price. For £309.99 you get an impact driver, hammer drill, jigsaw, multi-tool, circular saw, 2 4 Ah batteries, the charger, case and a tool bag, which I think is crazy value. Compare that to Makita or DeWalt and you're probably looking at double the price. Both decent brands, don't get me wrong, I've used plenty of their tools before and this range is definitely on par. These tools are ideal for workshop use, general DIY and even trade jobs. Unless you're going to be smashing them on site all day every day, you probably don't need to bother spending twice the price. Family of mine run a turntable fabrication and install business and they've started buying some of these tools and they've said that the stuff that they have has matched or outperformed the Makita kit that they were using before. So that's my brand new full cordless setup, 19 tools, batteries, charger and storage, all in for just under £1,000. Brilliant tools and insane value. I've linked everything down below and if you're thinking about picking anything up, make sure you use the code RENODAN for 5% off at checkout. If you've got any questions on any of these tools, just leave me a comment. If you're interested in any of my larger workshop tools, check out my tiny workshop tour here. That one's going to need updating soon with all of the changes that I've recently made, including the tool wall. So make sure you subscribe here so you don't miss that or any of my future uploads. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.